Yes.
I invited Dinde Ala. I invited
Yes.
Shirley Padua. Are they here already?
Yes. They are
Yes,
here.
ma'am.
Shirley,
Yes, ma'am.
andiyan ka na ba?
Yes, ma'am.
There
Nasa
ka.
DTI ka, ma'am. Nasa DTI.
Okay.
Waduh, ngomong jorok
Sorry,
dah.
nabigay ako ng
Yes,
seminar.
ma'am. Good afternoon po.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Oo. Sorry ha, pauwi ka na ba, Minerva?
Yes, ma'am.
Oo, sorry ha. Tapos ko lang yung seminar ko.
Sige,
Oh
ma'am.
my God.
Hinga muna, ma'am. Hinga.
Okay. Anyways, pwede bang, okay, because, okay, okay lang ba mag-start muna ako sa DBA, sa business?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
I started business and
Yes,
Minerva, I
ma'am.
started business. Is it okay? I will
Yes, ma'am.
present our PowerPoint, some data here. Okay, if you don't mind.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you allow me to
Yes.
make a presentation?
Yeah. I will make you a host, Prof. Helena. Okay.
Yeah.
You are host now. You can share the
Yeah.
presentation.
Can you allow me to share? Yeah.
Yes, please.
Share screen. Okay. Okay. There you are. Okay. 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 So I'll just go to our set of students here for the DBA batch 3. So can you look at all your names there, if your names are there?
Yes.
We can see it.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. And Mona, Maya, are you there? So those are so far.
Maya,
the
can you, Prof, the Maya name, can you change a little bit? Mono Arfa.
Mono
Arfa.
Okay, that's good. Mono
Arfa. Without
Arfa.
E. Correct. Yes.
Okay, Mono Arfa. That's correct?
Yeah, correct. And then number 9, Henry become Henry Kwan.
Number 9.
Number 9.
Number 9.
Henry Kwan.
Number 9. This is
No. It's line number 15.
Number 15. Henry what?
Kwan. Yeah. Khuan.
Again.
Khuan.
Khuan.
Yes.
Okay.
Correct. I think all correct.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, thank you. Yeah.
Okay. Now, for the first, those who are now writing their, we have Sorba is already not with us, no?
Yeah.
So, okay. So all in all, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So
Yes.
these are the people who underwent their proposal defense already.
Yeah.
Correct?
Yes.
Then, yeah. I'll just put some color. So more or less, okay. Let's go first to the first 7 here. 7 by here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. 9. So
Yes.
all the grades are intact.
Okay.
All the grades are there. Orba died already, so Orba does not have, a grade here.
Okay.
Okay. And yeah. Okay. Then also no for Orba. May he rest in peace. And then so he's not also included anymore.
Okay.
But you already paid your WCE, your dissertation, and you had already your proposal defense.
Yeah.
Okay, and you are now ready for your final defense. That's another thing we will discuss, no?
Okay.
I just want this to be, later on we can continue. We will not take much of a time of Dr. De Ala and Dr. Shirley. Now let's go to the next batch.
Okay.
So the next batch now, okay, is now, okay. So the next batch now will be this, starting now with this one. So this one now, the next batch is starting with Asti, Marlena. Is Asti enrolled or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Asti, did you enroll last term or no?
Last time, yes.
You did? Asti?
Yeah.
You also?
Yeah.
You're
Asti.
enrolled? Okay. So anyway, Asti here, I'll use a different color.
Yeah.
Wait, no. I
Oh,
go
no,
first
no.
to the next batch. I will
Yeah,
look at
Samsul.
Shamsul, Luhut, and Ridwan.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's the next group.
Yeah.
So, okay, and they only need to enroll this term, okay, this one.
Yeah.
Okay, this one. After that, they will already be finished.
Okay.
Okay, so Samsul, Luhut, and Ridwan, okay?
Yeah.
So, and then after that, you now just pay for your W's comprehensive exam and dissertation.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
I think at this point in time, you can already start because you have already, yeah. So after this term, okay, we can, in the meantime, we can already start writing our paper here.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, Shamsul, correct? Asti and Luhut. Are we okay with
Not
that?
Asti. I think
No.
it's the Ridwan. Ahmad
sorry,
Ridwan is
Ridwan,
question mark,
sorry.
Prof.
Ridwan, Shamsul, and
Luhut.
Luhut.
Yeah.
Okay.
So actually, Luhut and Samsul is already, but Ridwan
Yeah.
is actually a question mark. Means, I don't know whether you will continue or not.
Discontinue, I think. Discontinue.
Who?
Ahmad
Ridwan.
Ridwan.
Ridwan?
Yeah.
Ridwan, are you going to sayang if you don't continue, almost finish?
Yeah. Actually,
So
I tried to call him to explain.
Yeah.
Possible.
So he needs only to enroll in 4 subjects, after which, can already defend.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Now, so let me
Excuse
just
me, Prof.
put,
Yeah.
let me just color this group as this one.
Yeah.
And then the remaining will be this one, this group.
Yeah.
Okay, let me use a different color here. Okay, and this now the group of Asti, Marlena, up to
Yes, ma'am.
Maya. So they will be classmates with Shamsul. So they will still enroll the same subject here.
Okay.
Okay, you will enroll this subject. And then the next term, you enroll another subject. This one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, this one. Let us use a different color for that. And then after that, you should be ready now to, you should be now ready to enroll for dissertation. So this one, okay? And therefore, you're candidate for graduation. Are we okay with that?
Okay.
That's batch 3.
3.
Okay?
Okay.
So all the subjects are already given there. Then, we'll just have, and we should be finished with batch 3.
Okay. So
Yeah,
next one, how to do the lecturing for this TPA?
Okay,
Is that by this Zoom?
Okay, I will just talk with you, Echo, about it.
Okay.
But is it we would be asking you to enroll the following subjects.
Yeah.
Okay, and we can have our own schedule for this one.
Okay.
I think Shamsul already enrolled some of the subjects here, yeah? Shamsul? Yeah.
Yes, Prof.
Yeah, okay.
But Samsul already paid the tuition fee and already enrolled, right? Means.
So, but did not know what to enroll the subject. So I'm now giving you the subjects to enroll.
Okay.
Okay?
How to do this enrollment is via online or It's just
Still
send an email.
online. Online.
Online on the dashboard.
Oh yeah, and then of course, you can just pull yourself together and pay the enrollment so that you don't pay so much. And then if there are students who are coming here for foreign fee, maybe you can just give the dollars to any of you.
Okay.
Oh,
so that we pay to the actually we pay to PW directly. Is only for the tuition fee.
Directly now. I don't want to touch the money.
Yeah. Understand.
No, I think you understand.
Yeah.
So this one, I'm going to give, your grades are all in place. The subjects that you will enroll, batch 3 should be okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Any question?
Okay. Just to clarify, Prof. Felina, that the tuition fee, let's say individual student or collected by group, whatever it is, pay directly to the PWU.
Yes.
How much? Now, when still same last time, my rate.
Okay. I think we will have a little discount now. Yeah. So please don't record me because what if I cannot give the discount? Okay. Please don't record me. They will kill me. Okay, I'll try to manage it.
Okay.
So we'll come out with a fee.
Okay.
I will give it to you, Echo, and then you distribute it to your.
Okay. Understand.
Okay.
Understand.
Okay. So now I will give the floor now to nursing. These are your students. Nursing.
Why buffering?
Nursing.
Why buffering?
Okay, wait. I asked nursing. They have one term.
Pak Eko ini kayak bergema gini ya?
Yeah. Prof, are you using two device or how?
Okay, can we go to nursing already? Later on na lang. Because Dr. De Ala is going home.
Okay.
So, Dr. De Ala, you have the batch 3. Are these the students?
Ma'am, for this batch 1, 2, 3, 5.
Oh, ito nga, 5. Ito nga, 5. 1,
Yes,
2,
ma'am.
3, 4, 5.
Yeah,
Oh,
I
1, 2,
think,
3.
ma'am, they are due for proposal.
Pero, Minerva, I do not know. They are still to enroll. Mister.
I will verify, ma'am. The last time I spoke with them when they process their visa, and they also communicated with Metro email.
Okay, Minerva, what I will do is I will give this one so you can correct it or not correct it. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Kasi,
We'll double check po.
yeah, double check, no? Because here, the nursing, they have already 3 terms. So they need only 1 term. So nursing.
Okay,
And
ma'am.
then they can enroll now to WCE and dissertation writing.
Okay, ma'am.
So, okay. Let me ask education now.
Yes, ma'am.
Education. Let's look at education now. Okay, education has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But here, there is no grade. And then here also,
Have not enrolled yet.
yeah. So maybe Wawat is not continuing. Can you ask? Yeah.
Actually,
So
Ma'am
this is
Wawat
us.
attended last time, but did not enroll. So we found but she's not enrolled. She even went here in the Philippines.
Okay, so how is that? So Mindeala and then Shirley can call for a meeting for them. I can
Yes, ma'am.
share
Actually,
this
ma'am.
one
Yes,
to
ma'am.
you.
Actually, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
I'll
Ma'am,
give
yes,
you this one.
ma'am,
Okay. So I just don't know. But it is Mindeala and Shirley who knows this.
Yes,
what
ma'am. I will
about,
answer.
ano yun,
Yes,
ma'am?
ma'am.
Ito. So one term na lang sila.
Okay po. Ma'am, we will double check the record.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Kasi like si Wawat did not enroll but attended.
Oo. I will give you this one. And then you make now your own.
Sige, ma'am.
Bahala na kayo dyan, ano?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
The DBA is a little bit more complicated.
Ganti dulu.
And then Shirley and Minerva bukas. Baka we can have at 5 o'clock also a meeting and batch 4.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I have you also around for batch 4?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Oo. Okay na? So, at least you know. And then validate it. Education and nursing.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So, okay na. Padala ko ito sa inyo.
Yes, ma'am. Tsaka yung batch 4, ma'am.
Batch 4. Batch 4 bukas na yon.
Yes, ma'am.
So that we don't mix. We don't mix the batch 3 and the batch 4. Shirley?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
At saka Minerva, no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Echo. So nursing and education students, they are here.
Yes, Prof. I'm from
Okay. So, yeah, if you have any question, maybe you can ask your dean.
Okay, Prof.
Yeah. Dewey would always message me. Messenger.
Yes, I'm sorry. I'm always.
It's okay, Dewey. No problem.
I'm sorry. Pardon me to ask. Looking at the screen. Or Wawat Srinaw. Sis not pay. Then sis can will to pay to May. Then for Andra and for tomorrow semester or enroll for course so that end of tomorrow semester for each unit together.
Yeah, like if they're not interested, then so be it. Like I think Wawat was here but did not enroll, then I have a question. Where is Jeffrey Waisaki here? Jeffrey, are you here?
Yes.
Oh,
Bisa di
can you open your
bisa di
camera? I need to see you.
Pak Pri, biar nggak dengung Pak Pri bisa
Where are
dengung
you?
Pak Pri bisa.
Wait,
Oh,
where are you, Jeffrey?
Yes.
Where, can you open your camera, Jeffrey? Oh, are you the one here? Yuli Yanto? Are you Yuli Yanto?
yes, Prof. Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
Jeffrey, are you? Okay. What is your real name, Jeffrey? Yulianto Waisapi or what?
Yes.
Okay, yes. Jeffrey, you need to defend. You cannot tell me that you don't know how to speak English. You cannot get a degree at PWU if you don't try to speak in
Tempat saya itu
English.
yang kosong apa itu?
Huh? Can you tell Jeffrey?
Yeah.
Jeffrey, you really have to practice your English. At least be
Yeah.
able to pass, okay?
Good, my Jeffrey, good.
Yeah. You cannot just pass PWU without doing that. It cannot be. Cannot be. How come you get a diploma if you are not, defending your paper? I'm sorry if I hurt you, but it just have to be that way. Okay? So Jeffrey, come on, huh? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So, yeah, thank you, Jeffrey. Okay, Dewey, this is
Yes,
for
sorry, Prof.
nursing or what?
From
Dewey is
education.
education, okay.
Yes. I'm sorry, Prof. and Prof. Shirley. We from EDM at 9 students have different starting from college. 7 students until March 2024 already have 36 unit or 12 study. And then for the portal, 2 students, Ali Badarudin and Apri Chandra, until Maret, have 24 unit. Is it possible for 2 students, Ali and Apri, take more course next semester so that by the end of June, all 9 students have 48 unit and ready to register for the comprehensive exam. And then
they were only giving you maximum is 4 courses,
okay.
So that will be 12 units.
Oh, okay.
For each student.
Okay. And so I'm sorry, Prof. For our friend who are breathing, they must take the other semester, not can the same time as the lecture semester.
Yeah, it depends now on when did you start. Okay, can you send me all the names with the student number, so I will check in the portal how many more. But we can only give, the maximum is only 4 courses notes, equivalent to 12 units.
Okay, thank you, Prof.
Okay, any more questions?
Ibu Wawat, are you here? Ibu Wawat.
Pak Eko tadi Bu Awat menghubungi saya, katanya akan membayar di bulan Mei.
Ya, silakan bisa disampaikan langsung ke Prof. Shirley sama Prof. Felina biar clear, Bu. Sama dia WA saya juga. Jadi tolong disampaikan, maksud saya itu ini kan hal penting, harusnya dia datang.
Iya, betul.
Please explain to Prof. Felina and Prof. Shirley.
Mr. Eko.
Wait, hold on, Pak. Just let's Bu Dewi explain about Wawat.
Okay. I'm sorry, Prof. I get the notice from Dr. Wawat. The notice is Dr. Wawat will pay for the information in May 2024, and then she always go to college she always follow the professor, and then maybe the May she will pay for the SPP.
Tuition fee.
Yeah, tuition fee.
Prof. Shirley, Prof. Felina, I try to explain, yeah. this Wawat, she said that always attend the course every schedule, I think every weekend, but she have not paid the tuition fee. She promised to pay this 2-3 semester. I'll try to follow up with Ibu Dwi. Then when I'm in Manila, I will bring the money and pay to them lah. Because let's say she will pass the money to me, there's no problem. I can carry that money and then pay directly to BWU. What do you think? Is this acceptable?
Can it be updated? Because the school is very strict when it comes to that. Even our Filipino students, if they did not pay the tuition fee, how come they should be removed already from the portal? They should have no access. That's how strict. I think Dr. De Ala knows that and Dr. Shirley knows that. Yeah, they will not allow you. So if he is attending but he is not paying, then he cannot finish.
Okay. Pak Ali, Pak Ali, can you mute first, Pak? Pak Ali, tolong di-mute sebentar, Pak Ali. Okay. So is this possible or not possible, or still any chance maybe, Prof?
Are you asking me, Echo?
Yeah. For what? If really no chance, then I will tell her there is no chance. But
yeah,
if there's
because
a chance,
if his name, Echo, if his name is not enrolled, even if he attend classes, there is no in the Commission on our Education, he's not enrolled.
Okay, understand that.
So he's not officially enrolled. Even if he attend classes, it's nothing.
So it's very clear.
Okay, clear.
It cannot be.
Yeah.
You cannot say, okay, I attend classes, but I did not pay, and then just pay, and then no, but her name is not anymore included. So she has to start again from the beginning.
Okay. Jelas ya Bu Dewi ya, clear ya Bu Dewi ya.
Yeah, okay, thank you, Prof.
Thank you, clear.
Thank you, Prof.
Okay.
Thank you.
So now Pak Samsul, yes.
Oke. Ditegaskan lagi Bu Dewi, karena saya sudah mention banget sama Bu Wawat soal ini.
Ya, oke Pak. It's clear. Jadi seperti ini.
Di Manila udah saya jelaskan banget ini soal sama dia. Makasih.
Okay, thank you. Pak Nanang, your turn now.
Yeah, thank you, Mr. Eko. I see the file in the picture. Please, I want to see my name and Mr. Haikal. I want to check.
Prof. Felina, can you scroll up for DBA?
For DBA?
DBA, Nanang Swondo and Haikal. Okay.
Batch 3?
Yes, this green color.
Yes, batch 3.
Green. There's
number 16.
Yeah.
16.
Number 16. Swondo.
Please go to the right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because you will see that they enrolled only 23 there, 2023.
So, Pak Swondo, all this batch 3, there's a green color, Pak. There's no problem. So coming trimester, just need only pay the tuition fee, and then we'll continue for the study.
Yeah.
Okay, sure. Before what that's Mr. Eko?
The due date is 12 May. Correct, Prof?
12 May. Okay.
Yeah.
May 12. Yeah. So
okay,
later,
thank you,
later Prof. Helena will give me all the detail, how to pay, etc., and then I will inform to you, Pak Swondo and friends.
Okay, Pak Eko, about the visiting to Manila, must be in this May. Me and Mr. Haikal must be go to Manila, or can next year?
You can go next time, but it's no problem, because this time actually this very important one for the 9%, because for the DBA defense, dissertation defense, and then meanwhile we are doing also the visa student, but the rest of the student can go later, no problem actually. Yeah.
Okay, so are we okay with that? Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Eko, Mrs. Felina. Thank you.
Yeah. So, Dr. Shirley, if there are no questions, then Dr. Shirley can already go, but I will give this one to Dr. Shirley, and Dr. Minerva, they will check.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm not so sure about education and nursing. They will check,
Yes,
and they will take, you can have again a meeting of education and nursing.
Yes, ma'am. 12 minutes. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
May I leave now,
Doc
ma'am?
Shirley. Thank you,
Thank you,
Minerva,
ma'am.
for that.
Thank you, Dr. Shirley.
Okay,
See you.
salamat.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Dr. Minerva, thank you.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, ma'am, can we leave now?
Oo, kaya nga, para hindi ka
Okay,
na
ma'am.
mahirapan.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
sige.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. So are there any questions?
Yeah, Bapak Ibu, any question, please go ahead. Prof. Elina is here.
Dr.
Yeah,
Eko,
while I'm here.
Dr. Rawat already in participant?
What?
Ada Dr. Rawat, ada. Dr. Rawat? Dr. Rawat.
Ya, halo. Assalamualaikum, Bapak Ibu. Mohon maaf. Hello, Prof. Elina.
Yes.
Yeah, Prof, I'm so sorry. I already to join to the course, but I'm sorry I'm not pay. And inshallah on May I will get pay, and I will send to Mr. Eko and Miss Dewi want to go to Manila.
Okay, that's your decision. What?
Sebetulnya udah dijelaskan.
Decide on it.
Dokter Rawat dianggap cuti gitu, belum enroll gitu Bu Dokter.
Because I'm not enrolled, so I want to give you take the money, and I hope pay to continue enroll.
Okay.
Mohon maaf ya. Please let's be gentle.
So
not
can I
shameful.
ask the rest to look at the subjects here?
Yeah.
These are the subjects that you will enroll. This one, the blue one. Can you get your cell phone and take a picture of the subject? When you now get to enroll, these are the subjects you will enroll for this coming term. Can you take the picture?
I think
So
already
that-
I screenshot. I shared to the group already.
Yeah, the blue one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this one, the method of enrollment is online, right, Prof?
Okay.
Is that correct, Prof. Elina?
Yeah. Are we okay with that? So I think with the batch 3, we have no problem when it comes to the offering of the subjects.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4 subject, yeah? 4 subject.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Any
Okay.
name, Prof? Let's say this DPHR 603. What is that?
Which one?
The 603.
No, the subject.
No, yeah, the name. Let's say is international.
Yeah, those are the subjects. So 603 DBHR.
Yeah.
Will be advanced strategic management.
Advanced strategic
604 will be marketing management.
Marketing
605 will be GSBC. Is research, and then 608 is statistics.
Okay.
These are the 4 subjects that you will enroll.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. I will explain to the batch 3 DBA on this.
Yeah. Then after that, the 3, Luhut, Ridwan, and
Samsul.
Shamsul.
Also same, right?
They should be ready for dissertation writing already.
Yeah.
And then the remaining 6, so that's 6, 1, 2, 3. Yeah. 4, 5, 7.
Yeah.
Will be able, just one more term.
Yeah.
And then after that, they already also for dissertation writing. So we finish all batch 3.
Okay. Yeah. Understand.
Yeah.
So the only thing, how to enroll this is via online on the dashboard.
Yes. Yeah. Can you all be together so that you save money on the payment?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that it's not expensive on your part. Actually, I'm trying to negotiate with but we'll see. I cannot make any.
Yes, please. You negotiate first and then let us know.
Yeah.
We will pray for that.
I mean.
Shamsul, really sorry for what happened. Yeah, what can we do? I'm really sorry, but yeah, no comment.
No problem, bro. No problem. No problem.
Yeah,
I think Shamsul is accepting. Everybody is accepting now.
Yeah.
I will take
tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow, if you have friends in batch 4, I will meet all the batch 4 tomorrow.
Okay.
Also at 5 o'clock, because my seminar is 2 days. So after my seminar, I'll meet all the batch 4.
Okay.
Yeah, and then ask them whether they want to continue or not.
Yeah. I think I heard is there are 22% will be come to Manila.
Some batch 4 will go, Jonathan.
Yeah.
And the group will come to Manila, but it may be a little late. We need to know, especially those in DBA, how many are interested in continuing. So we can already give them, the subjects that they need to enroll.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
So thank you for helping me.
It's okay, Prof. So, Prof, for the final dissertation, is that on the 27th until, let's say, 31st? Yeah.
Yeah, but
maybe later you can give us the early date or whatever also can.
Yeah.
But for me,
okay, just want to tell you, I'm out of the country until May 12th. So I come back May 13th.
Okay.
And then I leave also from May 22 to May 26.
22
so
to
anyway,
26.
If you come,
I will come. I will be there on the 19th, and then actually on the 19th as 20, we'll start doing the visa students.
Yeah.
Then anyone can help.
Yeah, I will be. I'll be assigning somebody to help you.
Okay.
If I'm not around, then I will be asking somebody to help you.
Okay. So I think the visa student that will try to arrange is me, myself, Patri, and Luhut. Until this 3%. Hendra and Fankar will come somewhere on the 26th.
Okay.
Yes, correct. 26.
Okay.
Yes,
like
Paiko.
this.
26 maybe.
Okay. Better. Okay, my suggestion, better you come on a Monday.
Yeah.
Because Monday and Tuesday, when you arrive, you already go for your medical.
Okay. Can. So directly, I will from the airport, or I arrive after 6 a.m. in the morning. I will go directly to the campus.
Yeah. Maybe you can rest for a while, and then you can have your medical. So Monday and Tuesday. By Tuesday, you should get your medical certificate.
Okay.
You will have a blood test, a urine test, a stool test, a drug test, and an X-ray. 5.
Okay.
5. Okay. Then once you get the certificate, we prepare the documentations Thursday. You can now go to immigration.
Okay.
Okay, because our schedule for immigration is only on Thursday. So on Thursday, all at the same time, Wednesday, we can process all your, that is if there is nothing wrong with your medical. We process all your papers so that on Wednesday, so that on Thursday, we bring all the documents to the immigration.
Excuse me, bro.
Yes.
Because not all the students of the 9 want to get a student visa. The question is, if some students do not need a student visa, also must take a medical checkup.
Okay, if you don't know, it's okay. Because I thought that that is required by your Indonesian Ministry of Education.
Oh, so
No need.
Yeah,
mean
because
that
I know some of the students, they cannot get the equivalency from Indonesia if they have no student visa. Yeah. And the requirement for student visa is the medical.
Okay, so it means that if we don't need a student visa, so we don't need a medical checkup also.
Yeah, of course. No.
Thank you.
Yeah.
That's fine.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, good. Very good.
Okay, at least that's clear.
Yeah.
Any more questions?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
I'm sorry, I'm too late.
Oh yeah, Elasari, yes.
Yes, ma'am. How are you today? Ma'am, I'm
Yes.
sorry for me. How about me? Because I'm mas izin ya in the government. So I'm not funny ke Manila, May. How about me? Pak Eko, punten.
Ya, kenapa Bu? Gimana Bu?
Ya kalau untuk Mei, saya kan harus izin dulu gitu karena di Pemda kan harus izin sebelumnya. Kalau lama-lama nggak bisa. Saya cutinya hanya 12 hari. Itu gimana?
Ya nggak apa-apa, diatur aja. Nanti kalau mau ke sana kan disertasi yang pas berikutnya saja, nggak apa-apa. Terserah.
Oh gitu, nggak apa-apa ya?
Ya nggak apa-apa. Nggak harus sekarang.
Iya.
Izin menambahkan Pak Eko.
Silakan Bu.
Kemarin juga Bu Asti.
I did not understand, Eko.
Yeah, it's not coming to Manila this time. I tell her that it's okay. So maybe she can come next time during, let's say, their final dissertation. So they make a proper preparation, not so hurry, not so urgent. Yeah, it's okay.
When you defend your final dissertation, you have to come to Manila.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Sorry, ma'am.
Okay, are we okay?
Prof. Helena.
Yes.
I hope the final defense of dissertation will be conducted in early week in the 27 May.
Yeah.
So we have plenty time to make if there is a revision correction, just like that. Thank you,
Okay.
Professor.
Okay, so
27 is a Monday, right?
27 is Monday. I don't know.
So
yes,
yeah,
Monday.
27
Let me
is
look at
Monday.
it.
Yeah. So can we do it? Let's say, Prof. 27, 28. I don't know. You need 2 days or 3
Wait. Let
days?
us look at it.
Yeah.
May 27 is Monday.
Yes.
Yeah. Anyway, when you come here, your visa will take a little longer time.
Yeah.
So why 27? Maybe 28. Give me a time to rest.
boleh. Can.
Yeah.
Yeah, smart.
You have to pity me, you know.
Yeah.
I come home 26. Give me 1 day to rest.
Lulus, Pak.
The 28th, so Professor.
Okay, 28. You don't pity me.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's okay. We always love you, Prof. No worries. So
anyway.
how many days will be for 9%?
2
hari.
2 days.
So 28, 29 is good enough.
Yeah.
Okay, bravo. Very
I
good.
hope there is no correction for our dissertation.
Yeah.
Pak Zul.
Sulfi.
Yes.
2. Okay.
You feel too confident,
Yeah.
No, I've already changed my independent variable.
Okay.
The panelists asked me to change the variable.
Yeah. We'll see how you will impress them.
Okay.
Huh? Okay.
We'll do our best, Prof.
Okay.
Do or die.
No more questions?
Do or die.
Any question more, Pak Luhut?
No more question?
Yeah, all is good, Pak Eko.
Always good, Luhut?
Yeah, good,
Pak Eko,
Prof.
Pak Eko?
Luhut so quiet, not complaining.
No. I'm just following the procedures, Prof. I'm a good guy.
Thank you, Luhut. No question. Lighter for me. I have no problem. So many problems.
Pak Eko is a very good chairman, Felina. So, Prof, everything you tell him always, release to all of us. Yeah. So don't worry. Yes.
Yeah. Always for your own good.
Yeah.
That's good. Mr. Eko is good. Mr. Eko.
Yeah,
Mr. Eko.
Yeah.
If we want to transfer, it's possible. Is one transfer for 2 people or 3 people? It's no problem.
What do you mean transfer?
Where?
Yes.
What do you mean transfer apaan, Pak?
Pembayaran.
Oh, pembayaran. Bisa.
Pembayaran. No problem ya.
Okay. Anak-anak mau bayarin saya sepertinya, Pak.
Iya betul, 4 orang kita bayarin semuanya.
Please wait, Pak. For the payment, please wait the instruction from Prof. Felina. Prof. Felina will finalize. Let me know. Then I will inform to all of us here.
Okay.
One for all for one.
Musketeer.
No problem.
3 musketeer.
Yeah. Because if not, we are so confused.
Okay.
I don't want to be confused.
Yes.
Too stressful in my life.
Yes.
Okay. Too stressful.
Okay.
Paiko, one more again. Paiko,
okay, one more.
Yeah. Felin, I'm sorry. My portal. My name is Elasari and jenis and female man, not woman.
Okay.
Okay. Elasari.
Nanti ke sana saya
Okay, Elasari. When you come to the Philippines,
yes,
bring your. You tell them I am a woman.
Elasari transgender, maybe.
You have to tell them you are a woman, Elasari.
Yeah.
Mom, in the night, Elasari is man.
I think Bu Elasari not necessarily change the portal, but she must change the gender.
Mom, I'm sorry.
Yeah. Okay. So at least we are happy in spite of the problem.
Okay.
I have not laughed for a long time. Too much, too much problem.
Relax, Prof. Don't be stressed.
Yeah.
We all understand.
Oh my God. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, everybody. Pak Jurlis, any question? Pak Jurlis.
Yeah. Eko, I'll be, if you mind, can you also attend our, tomorrow we have batch 4.
Boleh. What time, bro?
Or anyone who wants to join to help us discuss about batch 4.
5 o'clock Manila time.
5 o'clock. Maybe Shamsul or any one of you who wants to join me. Give me the moral support.
Yes, sir. I'll try.
I will give the full support for you.
Yeah, and give me the Zoom echo so that we can give it to all of them. Okay?
Oh, like that. Okay, boleh. I'll make arrangement then.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Makasih.
Thank you, Prof. Felina. Thank you.
Salamat po.
Ya, salamat.
Thank you, Bapak Ibu mau stay selamat.
Thank you so much.
Thank you
for your understanding.
Yeah.
Thank you, Prof.
Yeah.
Bye. Okay, bye.
Bye. See you tomorrow.
Okay, see you tomorrow again.
Thank you. See you tomorrow.
But Echo, not the discount. I'm not sure if I can give you discount.
Okay.
I will have to talk to the president about it.
Fine.
Okay?
Yeah, thank you.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.